Hi everybody!
Welcome to
Catamaran Cocktails.
We originally discovered this drink at a bar we really like in New York City, which is actually quite famous for making cocktails. It's called Death & Co. They've even written a book. So if you're looking to expand on your cocktail knowledge, highly recommend. It's a huge fat book.
Really good book. Tells you the backstory of drinks, how to make a bar, how to put your glassware together, and all the stuff you need.
Yes, very handy.
So today the ingredients we'll be needing are gin and some type of cider. The cider that we're using here is actually a ginger cider, 7%. So this is actually going to turn out to be a very strong drink. All right, so let's make it. The first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to take some apples and chop and muddle them up a little bit into the drink. Next, we're going to put some ice. Here we want to use small ice cubes just so it cools the drink down really cold. We're going to add 1.5 ounces of gin. All right, then we are going to stir this up. Feel free to stir it up quite a bit. We want everything to mix up quite evenly. We're going to take our glasses. And now what you're going to do is top off with your cider. So here you go, our Ginger Shantytown.
Cheers.
Cheers. Yes. This is really good.
Well, it makes me a little nervous because you don't even taste the gin. I wonder where they got the name Shantytown.
It's because it's a shandy.
Yeah, but what does that do with Shantytown?
All right, guys, thanks for joining this week. Cheers to you.
Catch you next week. Hey, everybody.
Welcome to Catamaran Cocktails. It's my turn.
You're ridiculous.
Okay.